clock looks awesome. Okay, let me see your hands. Put your hands in front of your forehead. Put it down, Harper. Sean, where's your hands? Matthew? Hands? Thank you. Okay, so today we're going to do things a little different. Miss Stuber, I'm reminding you that the test is today on, you can put your hands down now, don't put anything in them. Today is wild weather test for those of you that are taking it. Some of my first graders are not going to take it. If it's not in your Google Classroom, then you don't take it. All my second graders are taking it, okay? And Miss Stuber's class is all taking it. We're not going to take it at school, my class, so you need to take it on the Google Drive. All of you that are here today need to go home and take it tonight, okay? Yes? You, Weston. Okay. Now, we're going to have lots of time to do phonics today and the phonics dance, and look at time. Raise your hand like this if you are having trouble with time. Put your finger like this, like, I don't know what to do. I'm so confused. Everybody's good? Nobody can see you but me. Okay, I see a few. Anybody in here confused about math? Okay, put your hand down. I'm going to ask you another question. Now I need to know if you saw the slides in there last night like I was showing you, and you could play with them a little bit and work on it with your mom to the quarter to and quarter past. If you worked on those slides, they had donuts on them, or what was the other thing?
It's not in there.
Okay. If you did those slides, some of those slides with your parents last night, stick your finger in your ear. Nobody? Not one person did them.
What?
Not one person. Oh, it makes me sad.
I do what?
We posted them. You did? Thank you. Okay, it was a little, Dario, mute, honey. It was, they're in there still if you want to go in and practice.
It says optional.
Yeah, it is optional. But if you're having trouble with it, you can go in this long weekend and you can practice, because we're going to have a test on time next week, so you want to be able to do it. How do I mute?
Just click on the picture.
Okay, you did. Okay, so today we're going to be doing something that we've been doing all week. The 5 minutes. Time to the 5 minutes. And we know that on our clock there are 12 numbers, correct?
Yeah.
Right? 12 numbers. Each number, okay, I don't need to see your clock. I need your clocks on the floor. On the floor. On the table. Don't have them in your hands. I want everybody looking at me. Put your markers down. I'm not going to say it again. I'm just going to start taking dojo points. That means you, Emma. Move it away. Okay, so if there are 12 numbers, can I see that clock? Did you talk about?
Yes.
Okay. So we have a digital clock that we're going to use today just for a few minutes. Everybody in here knows how to count by fives. Everybody on the Google Meet knows how to count by fives. That's what you have to do when you're telling time. Can you hear me? Thumbs up. Okay. It's really bizarre how time works. And once you get the hang of it, can you see? You can come down here if not. Come down here. So when you get the hang of it, it'll be like you just look at the clock. It doesn't even have to have numbers anymore. You'll just know what it says. You'll be like, oh, it's 8:50. Oh, it's 8:45. It's a quarter till. Okay, no, on the floor. Okay, you don't want to block anybody's view. So here's our clock. All right, I'm good now. So the 1 is crazy. Can everybody see it good, or do I need to move it up? Tell me thumbs up if it's good. If you can't see, you need to come somewhere else. Okay, if that sun's in your eyes, just move to another place. So, the 1, the 12 actually stands for, we know, 0, 0, right? 0, 0. And when we see 0, 0, up here, we say what? Do your lips right up to the camera. Ready? We say o'clock. Oh, you don't even have to unmute. O'clock. When it's up there. When it's down here, at the 6, we automatically that we say, put your lips up there and go 30. Let me see your lips. 30. I don't need to hear you. I just need to see your lips. I can read lips. I'm so good. Yeah. Ooh, I see those big lips, Evie. Okay, so 0, 0, 30. There's a reason for that. Because this 1 actually isn't a 1, Jacob. The sun's in your eyes. You can move up or back or around. The 1 actually is a 5. It stands for 5 minutes. Because, put your little fingers up, and I want you to pretend you're writing it with me like tally marks. Everybody, put your finger up. Shouldn't have a marker in your hand. So this is 1 minute. Let's get something bright. Okay. So this is 1 minute, and this little line here is 2 minutes. What's this one going to be?
3 minutes.
3 minutes. Help me.
4 minutes.
And
5 minutes.
5 minutes. Why they have a 1 there, I'll never know. Why couldn't that just be a 5? You know? But it's not. But this 1 stands for 5 minutes. So when the big hand is there, it's going, let's move it there. Move the big hand to the 1, please. It's going to be, say the hour first. You might have to move because I'm in your way. 12:05. It's 5 after 12. We would write it 12:05. Thumbs up if you understand. Good. Okay, now let's count the minutes again. So this little clocky thing's going to go 6 minutes. Help me. 7 minutes. 8 minutes. Go ahead. 9 minutes. And 10 minutes. So beside the 2, we have 10 minutes. So it is now 12 what? 12:10. Bam. 12:10. Now this is where you're going to help me. Get out your erase board. And that's the wrong clock. Didn't I give you a real clock yesterday? Open that box and get you a paper clock. That one's so clear I can't see it. Okay? All right. Get out your erase board and your marker. So we're going to go 5 more minutes. So we have 12:10 right now. So we have 5, 10, and we know this is going to be what? 15. So I'll put a 15 out there, but let's count the minutes and show why. So that's 10 minutes, 11 minutes, 12 minutes, 13 minutes, 14 minutes, and 15 minutes. I want you to write the time when she turns it to the 3. I want you to write that time, move it to the 3. Write that time on your board. Not real gigantic, just in the middle. Don't forget your dot dot. Write that time on your board and hold it up in front of the thingy as soon as you're done. You can write on paper, erase board, I don't care what. 1, I didn't say your clock, Betty. I said write it on your erase board what time it is. And I need you to get up and you're going to have to move back there a little bit. You got to be 6 feet. It is, okay, I see a lot of mistakes. Oh, I see right. What are you saying, Dominic? Nope. Right there. Let's see on here. I didn't say draw it. I said write the time. Write the time. I have the clock. You need to write the time. So some of you are putting 3 o'clock. It can't be 3 o'clock because the shorthand is pointing. This is the hour hand. And where's it pointing?
At the 12.
At the 12. So it has to be first. 12. And then the hour hand is over here. And we count by 5s. So we know it is, count with me, 12:05, 12:10, 12:15. So you should have 12:15 on your board. You gotta watch where that little hour hand is. Okay, you. Did you write 12:15 or 3 o'clock? Okay, put your lid on so it doesn't run out. Don't lay on the table. Sit up. Erase. Give it 12:15. Awesome. Now, we're gonna move it, let's just count by minutes again, ready? 12:15 is there, correct? Let's do it. 12:16, 12:17, 12:18, help me.
12:19, 12:20.
12:20. Write 12:20. I shouldn't have told you 12:20, but write 12:20 because the hour hand is pointing to the 12. So we have to do 12:20. As soon as you get it, hold it up. Put your marker lid back on so it doesn't run out. Bless you. Get a tissue if you need it. All right, I'm seeing it. 1, 2, 3, show me. And looks good for those of you. Nope. Paisley. We're writing. Oh, there it is up there. Okay, I see it now, baby. Okay. Erase. Good job. Good job. I'm going to go all the way to 30 so you see why it's 30 now. So we're going to go some more minutes. So we know this is 20 minutes, right? Now it's 21 minutes, 22 minutes. Help me.
23 minutes, 24 minutes, 25 minutes,
26 minutes.
27 minutes, 28 minutes, 29 minutes,
And 30 minutes. We know that halfway around the clock is 30 minutes. So write the time on the clock now for me. I want you to write what time it is on your board. I'm not going to tell you, but write what time it is. Woo! Come on, guys. There's only 7 of you. Write what time it is. I see ya. Oh, man, y'all are good. All right. 1, 2, 3, show me. Gavin, show me. Sean, show me. Layla, show me. Elizabeth, show me. Okay, Elizabeth, okay. 12, 12. Lillian, I can't see yours. Matthew, where are you? Henley, where are you? All right, Gavin, let me see yours one more time. Dario, where are you? Okay, 12:30, good. Where's your paper or erase board, Dario? What'd he say?
I can't hear him.
He doesn't have erase board or paper. Why not? Where are you? Okay, go get you. Tell your teacher you need a piece of paper or an erase board.
Where's his school supplies?
Yes, go ask your teacher for your school supplies. Go get your school supplies. Or ask her for a piece of paper and something to write with.
The daycare does.
The daycare does. Go ask your daycare teacher for something to write on. She'll be happy to help you. Okay, erase. Good job. Put it down. Erase. So I'm going to, now we're just going to count by 5s. Because if we know it's 12:30, you all showed me that. So 12:30, if we go to here, it's 12 what?
35,
35 and 12
40,
40. Those of you online, are you helping me? 12:45, 12,
50,
12,
55.
and we don't say 12:60. It's a whole new time now. What time is it now, everybody?
1 o'clock.
Let me see your lips.
Time to go home.
1 o'clock.
That's cute. Okay, perfect. All right, now we're gonna erase everything. And let's see what we have in store for us today. Miss Harris and Miss Best worked hard on this thing, so we're gonna do it. Oh boy. So this is gonna be on your Google Classroom today. If you put it down, Emma. If I say it one more time, you're putting a tally mark. Leave everything alone. I need your eyes on this. So this is going to be on our Google Classroom today if you want to do it. It's all interactive. You can pull it across. So this is called AM or PM. And I don't know if they talked about, I didn't talk about it, so it
I
wasn't
think
talked.
they did in a video.
So they did in a video. Okay, so I want you to put everything down. and unmute if you're not at daycare where it's noisy. We're going to play a little game. We're going to use our body. We use our body. If you want to, stand up behind your chair. All of us are going to stand up behind our chair. Okay, so AM, we're going to say AM is A, PM is P. AM, PM. AM, PM. You got me? All right. So, on New Year's Eve, Zion stayed awake. I'm afraid I'm going to block you. Go there. Stayed awake until 12 block. On New Year's Eve, think about when you go, woo, New Year. Is it going to be AM or PM? Show me. Okay, so at New Year's Eve, that night, it's going to be midnight. And when it turns midnight, it is AM. All right. Harper, is that your sister? Okay, if there's somebody's sister making a bunch of noise or brother or something, just mute. Okay? That way, we're good. Okay, next one. Ooh.
Oh, sorry.
That's good. Okay, Eden ate a morning snack at 10:30 blah. Eden ate a morning snack at 10:30 AM or PM. Show me. And it is AM. AM means morning. Remember it this way. This is how my teacher taught me in 2nd grade. We didn't learn time till 2nd grade back in the day. Probably 3rd grade. The alphabet goes A to Z, ABC order. So A is first, and the morning is first. So if you see AM, that means morning. Stretch it out. Oh, good morning. Oh, it's AM. I am ready for the day. AM. AM. PM is on down the alphabet. We've had a long day. Getting tired. It's ready for bed. So it is PM. AM, PM. Ready? AM, PM. Got it now? Okay.
No.
Well, you will. AM. A starts the alphabet. A starts your day. AM. I am ready. See, AM? Am. PM. I'm getting tired. Oh, I'm all the way down off the bed. I'm tired. It's evening time. It's after 12. So, let me show you this. I don't want to hear your voice. So, say it is 10 o'clock in the morning. 10 o'clock in the morning. What time is it now? It's like 9 o'clock in the morning. It's a little after 9. 9 o'clock in the morning, it'll be AM all the way to 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, and 12 o'clock today. When it is 12:01 today, heading toward 1 o'clock, it turns to PM. PM. So we'll go all the way around. We've got, oh, there it is. Thank you. We got 1 o'clock. Say it with me. We're going to scream it. Ready? 1 o'clock. Wait a minute. No. 1 o'clock. Stop. Stop. 1 o'clock PM. It's afternoon. It's after lunch. So 1 o'clock PM. Good. 2 o'clock PM. Stand up. 3 o'clock PM. PM. 5 o'clock PM. 6 o'clock, stop there, PM. Now, 6 o'clock is when some of us eat dinner. evening time. It's dark outside now. Okay? It's PM. Let's keep going. 7 o'clock.
PM.
8 o'clock.
PM.
Stop there. Some of you go to bed at 8 o'clock. Is it dark out? Yes. So it's PM. Okay, go. What is it?
9 o'clock PM.
10 o'clock PM. Chin it. 11 o'clock.
PM.
12 o'clock.
PM.
But when it's 12:01,
AM.
it turns to AM. And it's midnight. It's so dark outside that you're not talking when I'm talking because you're sleeping. At 12 o'clock midnight, it turns to AM. Crazy, huh? So we have 12 hours of AM till noon the next day. And then at noon tomorrow, it turns to PM till midnight that night. 12 hours. 12 and 12. How many hours are in a day?
24.
24. Half of them are AM, half of them are
PM.
All right, let's do this. All right, now you can, we're going to do some more AM PMs. Catherine, ready? Catherine took an afternoon nap. An afternoon nap at 2:40 AM or PM. Show me. I didn't say tell me, I said show me. An afternoon nap is going to be what? PM. All right. I see you're a little confused with this. Okay, Luke got ready for bed. Did you get ready for bed in the AM or PM? PM, because it's all the way down the alphabet. At 8:10 AM or PM. Show me now. Boom. Good. Bennett, we're doing this. We don't need erase boards. We're doing motions. We got this or this. Okay. Next. Oh, my. Next. Perfect. Okay. I want you to get your erase board. And I'm going to give you one clock to show me what time it is. Okay? Are you ready? Layla, you're raising your hand. Let's see, I'll get you in a minute. I want you to tell me, since we know how to count by fives, what time this is. Right here, this third one over. Write it on your board what time it is right there. I'm only giving you a couple seconds. What time does that say right there? Write it on your board. Look at your hour hand first. Write it. Then count your 5 minutes and write it. Is the hour hand pointing to the 9? No. The hour hand is between the 3 and the 4. So it's not been 4 o'clock yet, so it could only be what? 3. And then you got to figure out the minutes by counting by fives. The 9 cannot be first. This is the minute hand. Show me. Yes. Show me. It's between the 3 and the 4. Has it been 4 o'clock yet? No, so it can only be a 3. Okay, let's see. Oh, Elena, great.
Check Evie.
Where's Evie? Evie, it's, no ma'am, it's between the 3 and the 4. So it's not been 4 o'clock yet. So we have to back it up to the lowest number. It's still the 3 o'clock hour. Brooklyn, you can't just walk around the room, honey. You can come right here, but you're blocking Jacob. Sit in your chair, I'll move. All right, 1, 2, 3, show me. The ones I see are correct so far. I don't see a lot of them though. Good. Good, 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 good. Not so big next time. All right, because you're going to run your marker out. Okay, erase. I'm going to quit waiting around for those of you that don't participate. And I'm just writing your name down on this sticky note right here. And I will call your mom when we're done with this meeting. Okay? That's just as simple as I can get it. We can't wait all day for you to participate. That's not fair to the others. Okay, next screen. Okay, oh my. The answers are down here. And if you were doing this for fun, you just drag it around. So I want you to show me what time it is on the first slide. Show me on your erase board. What time is it? What time is it? Make sure you look at the short hour hand first. Emma, are you going to do this or looking at somebody else's to get the answer? Come on now, sit down. What time does it say? Right here. Where's the hour hand? Write it first. And then count 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Okay, erase, 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 erase. 2 cannot be first. Erase. Let me see, Dominic.
Harper, check
No,
yours.
that 2 cannot be first. The hour hand is the short hand. Okay, let me see you online. Okay, Curtis erase, Bennett erase, good job. Abby erase, Elena erase. Avery, the first number cannot be this one. This is the long hand. It shows the minutes. The short hand is the hour hand, and that's what number has to come first. The short hand comes first.
Harper.
Erase, erase. Harper, it can't be 401. You got to turn them numbers around for me. You're right, but flip it. Okay. All right. Erase. Let's get down to here, the 8th one. Oh my. Are you telling me that we have story problems that have to do with time? Oh, what in the world? Okay, so let's think about this time thing for a minute. Close your markers. Put them down so they can get rejuvenated. And it says, Rihanna woke up at 6:45. So if you have a clock, put it on 6:45. It's going to look like that. 6:45. The little hand is between the 6 and the 7, and the minute hand is on the 9. It says draw the minute hand on the clock to show, oh, this isn't a story problem. What time Rihanna woke up. Let's count. Ready? It said 6:45, right? So, if the shorthand's where it should be, let's count by 5s. Ready? 5,
10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45.
So your long hand should be going, brrr. And you can move it and place it and move it around. Whoopsie. And bam. Okay? Let's skip all those. All right, and this is your homework right here. You have to show what time Riley's soccer practice starts and choose one of these and put the circle over it. You have to show, on each of them, you have to show here what is on the clock. But be careful, you need to read the problem and make sure you're reading it right, okay? That's covering, okay, and here is really easy. It's showing you to the 5 minutes. What's going to go at the top, everybody?
0, 0.
0, 0. Then we're going to go all the way down here. What always goes down at the bottom.
30.
What's wrong? Okay, then we can start counting so we know we don't get off track. So we've got ready. What's going to go here? What's going to go here?
15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45.
Man, you're going faster than I could go. 45, 50, 55. Start over. No 60. That'll be a new hour. 60 minutes in an hour. Okay, erase. If you have anything on there, erase. All right. Time is really hard, y'all. So I suggest, it's really hard to teach virtually too, like for you at home. If you were here, we'd have a clock, we'd have an erase board, we'd be moving the hands around, put your markers down. We'd have all sorts of great ways to teach you time. And we'd spend more time on it. So you really are going to have to get with mommy or daddy this weekend. We got a long weekend.
Or watch the video.
And go back and watch the videos that are posted. Because second graders, you've got to know time to the 5 minutes and the minute. First graders, you have to know half hour and hour. So if you have that, you're good. But second graders, you've got to know a lot more going into third grade. So we have posted all these practice slides.
Tell them that under the materials for student use, I'm going to post the math manipulatives,
Okay?
and they just click on that, and there is the clock right here.
Okay, so Ms. Stuber has math manipulatives on the Google Classroom that you can click on. I also posted, for all of you in my class, I posted the time units in your freckle that you have to have done by next
I
week.
did too.
Ms. Stuber's class did too. So you need to make sure you go into freckle and do the time in there. Also, we'll post those fun slides that we just did, and you can move it over and play with it. And each of you have your own copy, and you can practice that way yourself. Because time is really hard to understand, especially this way. Okie dokie. Okie dokie. All right. So now I want you to put all your stuff away. We're going to do our rhyme. We're going to do our phonics dance. We're going to do all that fun